Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. For 4.5 years, I've been a nomad living full-time in my Class C RV, along with my martial arts cat Ninja. Recently, I did put out a video using my mini portable washer that I bought. But today we're going to go back old school style. 5-gallon bucket, a plunger that I've cut some slits in, and about 6 gallons of water. So we're going to do some laundry, and we'll be doing it nomad style. So what we got going on here, besides the evil cat that won't stop bugging me, is a 5-gallon bucket. I've got 2 pair of cargo shorts, pair of underwear, and a pair of socks. I don't know why I say pair of underwear. A single unit of underwear and a pair of socks. A 5-gallon bucket. And this is your regular plunger. But if you noticed, I cut some holes in it. Because years ago, I saw on Amazon a device just like this. But it was made specifically for plunging clothes and getting them clean. And they wanted like $30 for it. I'm like, I'll buy a plunger and cut holes in it. It'll do the same thing. See, I've got a bunch of 6 gallons container of water. I'm going to probably put about 3 gallons of water in here. And I'll show you me agitating it to get it clean. Then we're going to dump that dirty water out and put in 3 gallons of clean water and agitate it some more to get that detergent out. Then we're going to hang it out to dry. So, yes, this will use about 6 gallons of water. But again, I've got a couple pair of shorts, pair of socks, and a single unit of underwear. I think there's a t-shirt in here too. So, let's get this going. Okay. Washing the clothes. Here's my one with the broken nozzle and no cap. I've had this cough for 4 weeks now. Gotta go see the doctor. Okay. Very heavy. 50 pounds of water. That's about half. Maybe? No. Not even close. There we go. That's a good 3 gallons of water. Okay. So I'm now just gonna plunge this. I wanna get the clothes around in here and do this for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. I've actually used my hand here, getting out some of these socks and shorts and t-shirt. And moving them around by hand. And the water's pretty dirty. That's what makes me believe a rinse cycle is very important. So next time I use that mini washing machine, after I drain it and before I spin it dry, I will rinse the garments, probably just out in the sink. So I think these shorts are filthy, by the way. You know, and hey, I used to wash this laundry by hand for hundreds of years. Down by the river against the rocks. So, just happy to get 2 pairs of shorts out of this, because I do wear a pair of shorts for about a week. So, I'm going to go dump this out. Okay, poured out that filthy water. Let's do the rinse cycle. I think that's about all we're going to need. So, didn't actually even use all 6 gallons, but I'd say I used easily 5, maybe a little over. There's about a gallon in there left. And again, just wanting to get out that soap. You know, beautiful day, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't mind playing in a little water. And you know, for this phase, you could just go to your RV kitchen sink, fill it up with a little water, do the same thing. But these tips are supposed to be for campers, van lifers, anybody out and about without a washing machine. So I didn't want to steal the show with my kitchen sink. Heck, I could have washed the clothes in the kitchen sink too. Of course, I would have added 6 gallons to my gray tank, but not a big deal. My gray tank is actually bigger than the black tank, which I wish it wasn't. But, so, just going to keep wringing these through, and then I'm going to wring them out and hang them up to dry. And, of course, Ninja wants to help out, too. Get up in there, rinse that stuff out. Oh, sure. Okay. T-shirt, shorts, pair of socks, unit of underwear, and another pair of shorts. Should be dry by tomorrow afternoon. So I hope you enjoyed this program. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Really helps the channel. Leave a comment below. And if you're not already subscribed, please do, so you get alerts anytime I post a new video, which is at least once a week. Y'all go be positive, be nice, be active.